how to fix events tab missing from Facebook, iPhone, iOS. Now, the very first thing that I would guys tell you is this is not only applied for iOS or Apple users, but this also applies to any kind of phones. So the very first thing that you want to do, of course, the very basic troubleshooting, is to make sure that your Facebook application is actually updated to the latest version. Just head out into App Store or wherever you downloaded the application. So the one that you're seeing on your screen is actually the one that I'm talking about. To see Facebook is not yet updated to the latest version on my end, just simply tap on update and it will automatically update by itself. Now there is no immediate option or a manual option for you to be able to fix this directly from the events tab. But all you have to do if updating the application will not work, then of course your last resort is to report this issue to the help and support tab. Now just choose on reported problem and then scroll down, continue to report a problem. And in here, if you have any kinds of screenshots while getting that specific error, that would also help. From here, just go into events and then just simply describe what exactly happened to your end. Now, that's the very least that you can do for you to be able to fix events tab missing from Facebook, iPhone, iOS.